Welcome to how to quickly organize apps on iPhone. So in this video we are going to show you how to quickly organize apps on iPhone. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're going to need to do here, that here is my home screen, and let's suppose that if I wanted to be like I want WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube all to be on this bottom line here. How I can do this quickly is I will basically hold my YouTube icon here, and then what I will do is I will basically tap on WhatsApp, then I will basically tap on Instagram, then I will tap on TikTok, and then I will basically drag them here. And now here you can see that all of these are now in one row. Okay, so that's how you can basically easily arrange icons on your iPhone. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.